Okay, how did you guys think that went? Was it hard? Was it easy? These first sets of lowercase letters that we're going to do are pretty easy peasy because they look just like their capital grown-up letter that's next to them. So you just have to take whatever you knew with the capital letter and do it for the lowercase. Well, we have been talking about weather this week, and we have this really fun book. It's by Eric Carle. Eric Carle also wrote a book that we read last week about growing seeds, and I love the way he does his pictures. If you look, he paints all of his pictures, and you'll see in here, and I might try and find a video and link it down below of how Eric Carle makes his illustrations, because it's really neat. And we did it in class when we would be in class, but we can't do it right now. But it's really fun because he paints everything and then he cuts out the shapes that he wants. So you could do that at home if you had a paper, paint it however you want, and then after it's dry, you cut out shapes and you can make a picture however you want to. Well, Eric Carle wrote a book called Little Cloud. So what do you think this book is going to be about? Clouds. And we went cloud looking earlier this week, or maybe you haven't done it yet and you're waiting for a day when the clouds look perfect. But let's go ahead and see what he shows us in this book. So on this page, it looks like a big cloud, but you can see where his paintbrush made those squiggly lines, right? We turn to our title page. The clouds drifted slowly across the sky, and Little Cloud trailed behind. The clouds pushed upward and away, and Little Cloud pushed downward and touched the tops of the houses and the trees. The clouds moved out of sight. Little Cloud changed into a giant cloud. Little Cloud changed into a sheep. Sheep and clouds sometimes look alike. Little Cloud changed into an airplane. Little Cloud often saw airplanes flying through the clouds. Little Cloud changed into a shark. Little Cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Little Cloud changed into 2 trees. Little Cloud liked the way trees never moved and always stayed in one place. Little Cloud changed into a rabbit. Little Cloud loved to watch the rabbits dash across the meadows. Then Little Cloud changed into a hat because why do you think he changed into a hat? Because Little Cloud changed into a clown and needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled close together. Little Cloud, they called, come back. And Little Cloud drifted towards the clouds. Then all the clouds changed into one big cloud and rained. Isn't that what clouds do? They keep gathering moisture into the clouds, and when they get so heavy, it starts to rain. And then this is the last picture. There's an experiment that you can do, and you get a little glass of water, and you spray some shaving cream on top, and you get some food coloring, and you have to guess how many drops do you think your little shaving cream cloud can hold before you see it start raining down into your water. And so you might say 20. I think we can do 20 drops. And so you, one by one, put a drop in, drop in, drop in. And then once you see it start raining at the bottom, you can be done counting, or you can try it with a different color and mix colors when it's raining at the bottom in your water. So that's kind of fun. Later, if you pop over, I think Jacques is going to do an art with you today where he makes a cloud, and you guys can make a cloud with him. So I hope you have fun with that. Get your imaginations going. We're going to do a merry circle, and we'll see you soon.